Hello, my name is David Jones, and I'm here to do a tutorial video for you. And today we're going to be looking at creating a YouTube thumbnail. And for those of you who are on YouTube and you are frequently doing videos, thumbnails are those pictures you see when you're scrolling through YouTube. You're looking for something to watch. These are the pictures that you will see persons using to display kind of like a hint or an idea of what the video will be about, in addition to some catchy titles, and these are all designed to catch your attention. So today for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how I create thumbnails to use on my channel, and I'm also going to be highlighting or sharing with you the software that I use, and let's get to it. So to do our thumbnail, I am going to be using canva.com, and there are a lot of applications you can use within Canva if you wanted to create Facebook covers, Facebook posts. So here's a YouTube thumbnail, Facebook ads, YouTube channel art, Twitter, and obviously there are more. And this is where you would come to do that. And if you wanted to create a post or flyer or something that you have specific custom sizes, well, then you just go up here and you'd use the custom dimensions. Now I am going to be doing a YouTube thumbnail, so I will just click on this. And when I click on this, what is going to happen is Canva is going to give me kind of like a brand new canvas, because I'm an artist, and this is what I will be this is where I'll be creating the thumbnail, and I'll be doing it from scratch. Now when you're creating the thumbnail, this is the board here that we're going to be working on, and you have some options on the left here. There are different designs that you can use here, or you can just simply use the board here, put a background picture or put a background, a whole color, and then populate the background with different pieces of art, depending on what your taste is. So I'm going to keep it simple so that you don't get too overwhelmed. And normally I would come over here and look for a design to use. Even if I do not use the design as far as the picture is concerned, certainly the way that the wording is set out. But I don't even think I will have to do that per se. Let me just look at what they have here and see if they have anything here that I like. Now some of these designs here are free, and some of them have a fee applied. And I think you pay either $1, sometimes you pay $1.50, depending on what it is that you're looking for. These ones that I'm looking at are free, but certainly as I scroll down, I may come across some that will cost some money. But let me just quickly see if I can find something I like. If not, then what I will do is I will go ahead and just show you how to do it from scratch. So I'm not seeing anything that really leaps out at me. So I think I will do it from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background. So here I'm going to select background. And that's going to take me to different backgrounds. Some are free, and then there are some backgrounds that you may have to pay for. Let me scroll down some more, see if I see a background I like. When you're thinking of a background as well, you also need to think of the type of post that you're going to be making, and what you know that it can be seen. So let me look at this one here. Okay, so this is the background that I'm going to use, and what I'm going to do now is, if I wanted to put my own text, I would just click on text here, T for text, and these are the three sizes. You just click on one, and the head of this one here, and it would appear, it's going to appear over here. There it is. And then you would just decide now what you're going to put in there as a text. But I'm not going to be using this text. I'm actually going to be using some art. I'm going to be using some art that I have downloaded, and that is going to be working for me. So let me just go to upload so I can upload the pictures. And all these here are pictures I would have uploaded in the past. So I'm just going to upload something from my desktop. And the first thing that I'm going to upload from the desktop, I'm going to upload this banner here. The title of my YouTube presentation is called Let's Chat. So I just went to Google, looked up the images, looked for something that says Let's Chat. I found something here. I like how it looks, so I'm going to use that. So you can see there it is, Let's Chat. And I can make it bigger just by dragging the box to increase its size. And I can either put it down here in the bottom where it's darker. I can put it down here, and I can just leave that like that. So that's the name, that's the title. And I want to upload another piece of art, so let me go back here to the desktop. Now, I have here a photo of two people chatting. Let me upload this one here as well. Now the thing is that this may not work primarily because what this is here, this is a black and white, and I have a colored background. So being that this is black, really, it may not show up as much, so I may have to use a photo, but let me see how it looks first. And that's pretty clear. It's pretty clear, it's pretty sizable as well. So actually, if I put that here, and I bring this back on top, so let me bring this across here, and I can actually put this up here. So I have Let's Chat, and I have a photo here of two people chatting. It's kind of plain, it's not too catchy, it doesn't really leap out at you per se, but that's all right for now. I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes so you can see what it is like. Now I'm going to add some other stuff over here. Basically, it's a broadcast that I'm doing, and I also have a logo that I want to put here to depict. Right, so I just want to put my logo, this logo here for the program that we're doing. That's going to go somewhere in the corner. Actually, let me make this a little smaller. Let me bring them up here. And let me put this in the corner here. Right, I'm going to put that in the corner. And then broadcast is a broadcast, so I'll put this here to denote broadcast. Because what's going to happen now is I am going to list, I'm going to list the name. So let me go back to text now. And for the text here, I'm going to put that up here. Let me move it up here. And the text is simply going to be TBC broadcast, B-R-O-A-D-C-A-S-T. So I'm creating a YouTube thumbnail for my channel, and this is right, and it's a broadcast, so that's why I put the microphone here, TBC broadcast, entitled Let's Chat. In fact, I'm not finished here. It's TBC broadcast number 20. Number 20. So what I'm also going to do here, I'm going to bring this down, I'm going to put these guys up a bit here. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to stretch this out a bit. Right. So that's basically it. Right. I'll put this up here. And if I wanted, I could even stretch this a bit. And I can pull this under here. So it's TBC Broadcast, Let's Chat. And here we have our two folks here who are chatting away. And that's our thumbnail. Now the thing is that you want a thumbnail that's going to reach out and grab you. Now, honestly speaking, I'll get people to come to this, even if it's not ideally the most appealing of creations that I've made, but certainly the object here is to show you how to do it. So once you have created your thumbnail and you're satisfied with it, and this thumbnail is actually to the correct specifications needed for YouTube, what's going to happen now is that I'm going to click on download. But the recommended format for downloading is PNG, so I'm just going to download. And when it downloads, I'm going to give it a title. But it's actually going to have a title. It's going to be titled TBC Broadcast number 20 because that's the chat that I use. You see it here, TBC Broadcast. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it here on the desktop. And that's it. That's it. Then what I'll do now is I will pause the video here and then I'll show you what it looks like as the thumbnail on my channel. One of the things that you also do when you're finished creating your thumbnail, you just go over here to where it says File. You click the word File. It's going to come on here, YouTube thumbnail 1280px by 720. That's 1280 by 720 pixels. And what you do is you just click to save it and it's saved. So whenever you come back to Canva, and at Canva you also create a free account, when you come back to Canva, that will be there so that if you wanted to do another thumbnail, you really need not do another design. You can just come back here, remove these, and start again, do your own thing, so to speak. So let me now show you the finished product where it's as a thumbnail on my YouTube video. So here I am in the video manager section of YouTube, one of my YouTube channels, and I'm just going to add the thumbnail now that we created just now so that it will be the official thumbnail. This is the current thumbnail that is being utilized because it was a YouTube live I had done, and this is my channel art. So it would be YouTube live. If you don't use one of the thumbnails given some things, it will just use your YouTube art. So I'm going to click this button here that says custom thumbnail, and that's going to take me to my desktop here. This is the thumbnail I created, so just let me click here and open it, and you're going to see the thumbnail appear here. And then I'm going to hit Save Changes. And when I hit Save Changes, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back here. And that actually has taken me to the watch screen. I don't want to go to the watch screen. I don't want to go to the watch screen. 1 minute. Okay, so I've gone back to the screen on my channel. This is where, when you come to my channel, this is where a visitor would appear. And the thumbnail that we just created, you can see it here. TBC Broadcast number 20, Let's Chat. And here you have the actual YouTube name, TBC Broadcast number 20, Let's Chat. So here is the thumbnail that has been created. As you see other thumbnails here as well. This is what thumbnail creation is all about. So I hope that you got value from this video. If you understand and you have been enlightened, you like what you saw, you learned something from this today, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, and I will leave you at this time. Do have yourselves a great weekend, and I'll see you again in another tutorial video very soon. Over and out.